Hi everyone, welcome to Let's Get Employment. Zoptal Solution Private Limited is hiring for SEO Intern fresher role. Job location is Sahibzada Ajit Singh Nagar, Punjab. Let us get to know about the job. Responsibilities under this role are: he or she should be a fast learner and should adapt to the process fast. Good communication skills, ability to write basic content and an aptitude to learn and excel in the different verticals of internet marketing. High on communication and analytical skills and should be ambitious to learn and grow. An internet savvy who reads, understands and evolves in tune with the latest SEO industry. Basic understanding of what search engines are and their algorithms. Knowledge of PPC, pay-per-click, SMM, social media marketing, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram. Internet fluency. Must know how to surf the internet and conduct online research. Skills required for this role are: bachelor's degree is required. Candidate should be a graduate with good communication, spoken and written skills in English. Will be required to go through training and gain on the job expertise in the field of internet marketing. Must be well versed in Microsoft Excel. Need to know about SEO tools that are important like Google Search Console, Google Analytics and Google AdWords. He or she should be a fast learner and should adapt to the process fast. Let us get to know about the company. Zoptal Solutions. With quality we deliver, established in the year of Jan 2016 and ISO 9008 certified, company create unique digital moments and experiences to engage customers and employees as well as create high growth opportunities for business worldwide. With a vision to offer quality services in a stipulated time frame are the two key principles by which our team sticks by while taking the ownership of a project. With quality, we deliver, staying true to our brand's motto. We offer an umbrella of services dealing in web development, mobile development, design development and internet marketing. Having a track record of successful project deliveries, the experienced professionals in our team have helped our clients in building an online identity for their businesses. We understand that communication is the pulse of outsourcing. By choosing us, you will not have to go through the hassle of not being understood, as we have well-read and spoken business analysts to assess your requirements. Having project idea in mind and thinking what to do next, Zoptal is the answer to all your consultation and project queries. We are always here to help you. Contact us. This is email ID, websites and contact number. This is Zoptal Solutions Private Limited website. We design and develop that people fall in love with. Basically, it is an app making company. So you can see here UI UX design, Unity 3D, digital marketing, React Native, progressive web pages, Node.js. So this is all about them. If you are eligible for this job role, you can apply by clicking on this easy apply button, fill the application form and submit it. You can find the link in the description and apply for this job role. All the best, and if video helpful लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, शेयर इट विद योर फ्रेंड्स एंड फॉर मोर लेटेस्ट जॉब अपडेट्स चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो.